You know the sign over there?
Yeah.
Saying pedestrians cross over and use the other one?
Nothing for you, that is it?
No.
No, I know,
and
mate,
it's illegal to go on the footpath.
Yeah.
So it's...
Go on the road though, can't you?
Yeah, but I mean, other cyclists...
We've said, mate, you know what I mean? It's no signage at all, is it?
I mean, the main problem isn't... I mean, I can understand the teacher credits. I'm doing civil engineering at college.
Yeah.
So I know a little bit about it. But the main problem is the bit that goes up to the Rainbow Bridge path. Terrible condition up there.
Yeah, that's nothing to do with us, that's not it. Separate works, don't we? There's no signage or nothing to do. You only got that site access sign this morning. Right,
I was down there about a fortnight ago, and that's when sort of like all starting to move in. And
yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, alright, well, thanks.
Alright, mate.
Yeah.